Good morning, Hawaii. Welcome back. It's always great to check in and hit as many checkpoints when managing your health and well-being during COVID-19. This week, I got to interview Dr. Clara Krebs, who is a family medicine physician at Wilcox Medical Center and Kaua'i Medical Center. She has some great advice and information about a webinar that is happening tomorrow. What precautions should people continue to take to minimize their risks for COVID-19?
So super easy, common sense things: washing the hands, wearing the mask, 6 feet away from other people. Don't be with other people in an indoor setting if they're not in your immediate family. Very simple, common sense things.
What are some of the best tips right now for managing health and well-being during COVID?
The biggest thing, number one, from my perspective and my practice, and a lot of us as primary care physicians, we like prevention. And the most important thing with your immune system to prevent you from picking up COVID and to keep yourself healthy is stress, sleep, and lifestyle. So the biggest thing I find that my patients are coming to me complaining about is lots of stress about things they can't control. And it usually comes from spending too much time on screens, watching news, getting too stressed about things that are beyond our control. And I always say, focus, turn the screens off, focus locally, look around you in your house, things you can do to improve your own health, your neighbor's health, your family's health, and then focus on sleep. Guess what you're going to do? You're going to sleep better if you're not watching your screen before bed. You really are.
What do you say in response to people who are delaying their regular checkups because of COVID?
Oh, that's huge. So one of the big things I've been seeing, and all primary care doctors have been seeing, is that after you take care of stress, sleep, and what you're eating, you have to, before all of that, you have to take a check-in of the State of the Union. The State of the Union of your body is the chronic illnesses that you deal with. We all have something that we are managing with our body and our health and our well-being on a daily basis. Those have to be managed in order to even go on to stress, sleep, lifestyle. And so putting off talking to your primary care doctor to take care of your diabetes, your blood pressure, your depression, your insomnia, all those things, you can't move on to anything else. It's going to have diminishing returns unless you take care of those chronic illnesses. So putting off seeing your primary care doctor really, it really puts your body, your mind, your family, your community at risk by not addressing those things first, because that's number one. State of the Union is number one for sure.
Can you tell us more about this webinar coming up, which is Thursday, October 8th?
So we've got 3 primary care doctors, and primary care doctors are the doctors that take care of you from when you're born to when your family's in the nursing home. So we take care of anything and we take care of everything. And this gives us an opportunity to talk to people about preventing illness and about keeping our community healthy and happy. And we're going to take questions from the community. We're going to address how to stay safe, how to prevent yourself, how to prevent your family from getting COVID, and how to deal with your stress levels, what to eat, what to exercise, what to do. We're going to give you all the tools you need to battle and to protect yourself in the upcoming months. It's so important because on the 15th, we're going to be opening up and we want people to have this information. So it's a really great opportunity, and having primary care doctors who take care of everything, explain it to you, is a great opportunity for us. So I appreciate it.
If you do want to attend that free informational webinar, which you can do in the comfort of your home, you can just log on to our website, KITV.com. We have the link there. It is tomorrow at noon, so you can save it there. And there's also going to be an opportunity for you can have your questions answered at the end of the webinar. That's it for this week's Wellness Wednesday. We'll be right back on Good Morning Hawaii. Stay with us.